Hi, this is Danny Beaumont from the Adobe Muse team. In this video, I'll show you how you can create a truly unique and engaging website using the new 100% width slideshow feature. Slideshows are a great way to highlight a number of rich images with subtle interactivity that engages site visitors. Let me show you how easy it is to set this up. So here I am in Katie's Cafe, and I'd like to add a hero image in the background of my masthead. Now I could go with 100% width slideshow, but that would end up affecting the entire design. I've got content down here that I don't want to have an image. I just want it at the top. This is why the 100% width feature is going to be terrific. So what I want to do is come over into the widget library, down into the slideshows area, and I'm going to press and drag a very basic slideshow onto the canvas. Now slideshows have lots of features, and you may have experimented with them. In this instance, I want a very simple slideshow. So I'm going to turn off the captions and the counter. I'll leave previous and next on just to help me test that the slideshow is working easily, and then I'll turn them off as well. Now I want to make sure that under New Hero, it's set to fill frame proportionately. I really want that to happen. I'm going to go ahead and take the hero image here and press and drag it into place. So I'll go ahead and align it top to bottom. I'm going to leave a little room on the left and right for now. Press and drag it here as well. I'll open up those options again, and I'm going to click on the Add Images folder. I've got about 4 images that I've picked for this top hero area. I'll select them and click Open. Now Muse is going to go on in and import those into that hero area. I'll go ahead and move the previous and next buttons up a little bit so that I can access them. And before we do anything else, let's just take a quick look at what I've got going so far. So I'm going to pull down on File to Preview Page in the browser. Muse is going to actually render the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript for that page. And this looks pretty good. I can click and release and see the different images in the background there. But I've got this gap here on the left and right. So what I want to do is come on in, and with that hero image selected, I'm going to come up into the control panel and I'm going to select the 100% width button. We've added this button to make it easier for you to go in and define 100% width objects. I'll go ahead and delete the previous and next buttons because I don't really need them anymore. And I am going to go into the slideshow options and check. I've got transition set to fade. For the speed, I'm going to slow it down to about 1 second so it'll fade slowly between images. I'll set autoplay to about 3 seconds, and we'll leave it at that. Let's kind of close that out. I'll pull down on File to preview the page once again in the browser. Muse will go in and render that page for me. And what you'll notice now is I get this very nice full screen slideshow that's variable in width based on the size of the browser, but fixed in its height. Now Adobe Muse continues to make improvements based on your feedback. We hope you take advantage of this 100% width slideshow in your next site design. I encourage you to give it a try today.